Hello everyone, welcome back to section 6, driving and parking in London, fill in the gaps. As always, if you want to get the best out of these videos, make sure that you prepare it as if you are in an exam condition. That means put all phones away, all electronic devices away, all distractions, and prepare yourself as if you are doing an exam. There is a total of 9 questions, and after each question I ask, I will give you around 20 to 30 seconds to pick an answer. So you'll have to pause the video and you'll have to pick an answer. After the 30 seconds, I will show you the answers. Now, if you have, so we are on section 6. I have made previously section all the way from 10 all the way to section 6. So if you haven't watched those sections, definitely give those a watch. But apart from that, let's get started. Hello everyone, I want to introduce you guys to the new SERU version 2 ultimate guidebook. Now, I've made a version 1 before, but this is version 2 with different sets of questions. The perfect tool to use if you are preparing for the upcoming SERU exam. This book covers section from 1 to 10 with multiple choice, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can use this when you're at home, at work, whenever you are free. This is the perfect revision tool. The questions in this handbook will not be in any of my videos, so these are exclusive questions only for the handbook. So scan the QR code that's on the screen right now with your phone and it will take you guys to the website. This is something that will 100% help you if you are preparing for the SERU exam. I wish you guys the best of luck. That's right guys, my SERU book is now available. If you are interested in it, make sure you scan the QR code somewhere on the screen as I play the questions and it will take you directly to my website. It's a great revision tool for those who are preparing for the SERU test, and I think it will help all of you guys. But apart from that, let's get into a question 1. PHVs are not allowed to drive in blank lanes and cannot park at blank ranks. Is it A, bus, taxi, B, bike, bus, C, taxi, pedestrian, D, pedestrian or bike? So pause the video now and pick an answer. Now the answer is A, bus and taxis. You're not allowed to drive in bus lanes and you cannot park at taxi ranks. Question 2. PHVs are not permitted to use or park at blank taxi charge points or park on blank lanes. Is it A, hybrid and dashed, B, diesel and straight, C, electric and zigzag, D, petrol and broken? So pause the video now and pick an answer. Now the answer is C, electric and zigzag. So you are not allowed to use or park at electric taxi charge points or park on zigzag lines. Question 3. You can pick up or drop off passengers on a single or double blank lines, but avoid blank lanes to prevent delaying or obstructing. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B, red and bus lane. So you can pick up or drop off passengers on single and double red lines but avoid bus lanes. Question 4. PHVs must be familiar with the blank code and should not stop where they might blank traffic. Is it A, traffic and delays, B, highway obstruct, C, road and assist, or D, drivers and help? As always, pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B, highway and obstruct traffic. Question 5. Never stop on blank lines such as those by blank crossings or outside of schools. Is it A, zigzag pedestrians, B, dashed zebra, C, straight pelican, or D, broken and toucan? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A, zigzag and pedestrian. So never stop on zigzag line such as those by pedestrian crossings. Question 6. Do not stop where you might traffic or pose a blank to other road users. Is it A, help and benefit, B, assist or convenience, C, obstruct, danger, D, delay and help? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C, obstruct and danger. So don't stop where you might obstruct traffic or pose a danger to other road users. Question 7. PHVs are not allowed to park, wait, drop off or collect passengers at blank ranks or use an electric taxi blank points. Is it A, bus charging, B, bike fueling, C, taxi charging, or D, pedestrian parking? As always, pause the video now and pick an answer. And the answer is C, taxi charging. So don't park, wait, or drop off or collect passengers, taxi ranks, or use electric taxi charging points. Question 8. You can pick up or drop off passengers on places where blank is not allowed, indicated by curb markings and most blank bays. Is it A, waiting bike, B, loading parking, C, stopping pedestrian, or D, dropping off and bus? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B, loading and parking. So you can pick up or drop off passengers on places where loading is not allowed and is indicated by most parking bays. Question 9. PHV should avoid stopping on blank and blank lines outside schools. Is it A, straight and dashed, B, broken and solid, C, zigzag and double yellow, or D, dashed and single red? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The question is C, zigzag and double yellow. So you should avoid stopping on zigzags and double yellow outside schools. So that's the end of the question. As always, if you enjoyed these type of videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, so you are up to date to when I upload the next section, which will be section 5. As always, if you haven't watched the other sections, make sure you do go watch them. Look, they're all free. It's a great tool for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. And if you are preparing for the SERU exam, I would recommend checking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen, as it will take you to the new SERU book. And I think this is a great revision tool for those who are preparing and for the SERU exam. Apart from that, make sure if you are preparing for the SERU exam, make sure you do as much revision as you can, because it is very difficult, but I'm sure that you guys can pass it by watching the videos and listening to all other YouTube videos. But make sure, other than that, good luck. For those who do have the SERU exam, I wish as always the best of luck. If you have any questions, any concerns, make sure you drop in the comments. I will answer all of your guys' questions. Not one comment will go answered. If you have any questions, do not be shy. Make sure you drop in the comments. I will answer all of your guys' questions. I understand the SERU is a hard test. I'm here to help you guys. Listen, if you have any issues, make sure you drop in the comment section and I will answer any question you guys have. Apart from that, thank you guys for always watching my videos, and apart from that, stay safe and good luck to everyone that is doing the SERU exam. Thank you.